You're close.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It looks like I'm gonna fall.
Nice.
I'm gonna fall.
Mansaf. Nice.
I'm so excited to go to the mouth. Dumaibi na ko.
Hindi ka eh.
Tek, mapatay ko.
Kung patay ka
Oh!
mahibi ka lang.
Bro! Bro!
ما في خلاص؟
Tugnaw ka sulod, di ba?
كل؟
We are almost there to the mountain.
This is a building of television.
Mama,
Yeah,
you're
television. Antenna, yes.
We are almost there.
Look at the other side of the sea. How nice is it? See the
You're
house, normal,
almost
see?
there, next.
You see?
You are almost to crash.
The people can see house from other people. It's normal. But nice, was to know, huh?
Yeah,
All
look
white.
nice. Yes.
Ah!
First building, hotel in
Hey, can you just
long time. Man.
It was the highest building
No, we
in
will
Soviet
crash.
Union.
We will crash.
No, no.
after.
What?
We won't crash. Wow. We won't crash, right? Yeah.
No.
We won't. I see the green. Yeah.
When we reach on the top, so ayan, nagpicture-picture na lang na kami. And then, hindi na kami nakakuha ng mga pictures, but we take lunch sa isang restaurant dyan. So, happy naman yung mga bata, and that's the most important thing. Nag-enjoy sila, even though it's really, really very cold. Kasi umulan ulit dyan ng yelo. But anyhow, just sharing with you our experiences. Thank you!